Ready? No.
Refilling because that's our only budget for this week. Oh no, don't sneeze on the food.
Sorry, I just keep covered it. It's weird.
You arrange it properly. Don't open the other handle na. Because that's your baon.
Oh.
Go get your 2 snack box.
Oh, I opened 2 hands now.
You get the snack box. The snack box. The small one. 2 of them. Oh. How many?
3.
How many?
3.
Okay.
Oh, that's actually 2 and 2.
2 and 2?
Yeah.
Okay, close. Put it inside the fridge. Because you're bound tomorrow.
I got other things too.
Next.
Yung 3 lang?
What is this? Fruity?
Yeah, it's mango flavored. Mango.
Oh.
Pretty good though. Let's open it with this. What is? I'm having a bit of trouble opening things.
No, 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 no. If it's different, it's different.
Okay.
You don't do that. That's why it's segregated already into different compartments.
Okay. We'll open this presto. Only 3 also.
Make it look like the other one.
Okay.
See that? This is our budget for the whole week for their baon. And you just don't pay attention. Yan. Tinitipid yan ng anak mo. Intindi ka?
Yeah, you heard it. I know a lot more. I learn a lot more Filipino now.
I know. Is it because of Tito?
Tito and my classmates. mostly the gadget.
Oh no. And we are lacking 1 compartment.
Oh no. So lacking something.
We lack 1 compartment.
The only lucky compartment is love. Oh no. We broke in the packaging.
Just do that so it don't look good, don't look bad. What else? These are cute.
Yeah.
Mm.
Look how small they are.
Mm-hmm. Let's have 1 compartment for chips. There's chips there hidden inside the fridge. Go get it. There, on the freezer. In the freezer. In the freezer!
Oh. I didn't know this. I didn't even know this.
We're not paying attention.
I think that's a compliment.
Don't take it as a compliment. Not being able to not pay attention is not a good thing. Learn from it. Okay.
God.
Put it there. Did you brush your teeth na?
Not yet. Oh no. I doubt. Oh, now you did.
Sanji loves chips.
Still more.
No more na, but just enough, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the budget for this week. Both snack and both baon. Snack tsaka baon nila yan sa isang linggo. Diba? Ang galing. Yan lang. Yun lang meron. Yun lang yung kaya. Yung magagawa. Buti na lang talaga may snack box na ganito. Nababudget lahat. Pero mas mabuti kung mas malaki yung pinapadala. Hindi lang 3,000 per sweldo. Dapat nga 2,500 yan per bata eh. Can you say something to your daday or to your tatay, your father? Say something to your father about this budget. What do you want to ask from him?
What to ask?
Ask him more. Because look at that. That's for your 1 week and it's not enough. And he only gives what, 3,000? Ask for more. Because I cannot, when I ask for more, I'm being told that I am mukhang pera.
Can we have more? This.
Tell him to, it's okay if he gives us only 3,000, but 3,000 plus groceries is what we need. Is that okay?
Yes.
3,000 per sweldo plus groceries, especially food. And your shampoo, kuya, you have dandruff na. Toothpaste. Say it.
We only need 3,000 peso groceries for baon and food and shampoo and for toothpaste.
Okay. Kung ayaw nyo magdagdag ng para sa mga bata, ayaw nyo dagdagan yung para sa mga bata, ayaw mo dagdagan. Sinasabi ko nyo kasi merong kang partner, di ba? Okay, kung ayaw nyo na dagdagan yung para sa mga bata, pwede bang yung imbis na perang idadagdag, ay groceries na lang? Groceries na lang kahit ano. 3,000 plus groceries, pambaon lang nila. Kasi, yun lang. Kulang na kulang tulad ngayon. Meron silang activity. Kailangan nila ng costume. Ginawan ko na lang ng paraan kanina. Maghanap ng costume base sa mga damit sa taas. Binagay-bagay ko na lang. Kahit na dapat parade nila ng costume sila. Thank you, Kuya. You wash your hands, wash your face, and brush your teeth. Okay, good night.
Night.